very marvelous good morning to each one of you. Today's date is 24 July and the day is Friday. Today's thought is always deliver more than expected.
Good morning children, welcome to the SHIVAJI group of institution online classes. Kids, I am your Hindi teacher. Today I am going to take Hindi literature class. बच्चों, पिछली कक्षा में मैंने आपको हिंदी में छोटी ई की मात्रा के शब्द को पढ़ना सिखाया था। उनको मैंने आपको कैसे बताया था, पढ़ने के लिए बताया था, उनको सिखाया था। तो आज मैं आपको हिंदी में, हिंदी लिटरेचर की कॉपी में छोटी ई की मात्रा लिखवाती हूँ। तो सभी बच्चे अपनी हिंदी लिटरेचर की कॉपी निकालेंगे और मेरे साथ लिखना शुरू करेंगे। तो चलिए लिखना शुरू करते हैं। दा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ना। तो ये क्या हो गया मिलाकर बच्चों? दी न। ये क्या हो गया? दी न। नंबर 2 है बा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ना। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? बी न। ये क्या हो गया? बी न। नंबर 3 है खा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ल। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? खी ल। ये क्या हो गया? खी ल। नंबर 4 है चा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ड़ा में छोटी ई की मात्रा या में बड़े या की मात्रा। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो क्या हो गया? ये चिड़ी या। क्या हो गया? ये चिड़ी या। दूसरा है नंबर 5 का में छोटी ई की मात्रा ता में बड़े आ की मात्रा बा। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो क्या हो गया बच्चों? किताब। क्या हो गया? ये किताब। इसके बाद नंबर 6 पे आते हैं सा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ता में बड़े आ की मात्रा र। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो क्या हो गया बच्चों? ये सितार। क्या हो गया? ये सितार। इसके बाद आते हैं नंबर 7 पे ना में छोटी ई की मात्रा ट। ये क्या हो गया? इसको मिलाकर पढ़ने पर क्या हो गया? ये निकट। क्या है ये? निकट। नंबर 8 पे आते हैं टा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ट। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? टिकट। क्या हो गया? ये टिकट। इसके बाद पा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ना में छोटी ई की मात्रा क। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो क्या हो गया बच्चों? ये पिकनिक। पिकनिक। क्या हो गया? ये पिकनिक। यानी कि क्या हो गया? ये पिकनिक। नंबर 10 पे आते हैं गा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ला में बड़े आ की मात्रा सा। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? गिलास। ये क्या हो गया? गिलास। इसके बाद व में छोटी ई की मात्रा म में बड़े आ की मात्रा न। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे बच्चों ये क्या हो गया? विमान। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया? विमान। नंबर 12 है व में छोटी ई की मात्रा व में बड़े आ की मात्रा र। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? रविवार। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया? रविवार। एक बार फिर से देखते हैं। नंबर 1 दा में छोटी ई की मात्रा न दी न। नंबर 2 है बा में छोटी ई की मात्रा न बी न। नंबर 3 है खा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ल खी ल। नंबर 4 है चा में छोटी ई की मात्रा ड़ा में छोटी ई की मात्रा या में बड़े आ की मात्रा। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? चिड़िया। नंबर 5 है क में छोटी ई की मात्रा त में बड़े आ की मात्रा ब। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? किताब। नंबर 6 सा में छोटी ई की मात्रा, त में बड़े आ की मात्रा, र। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? सितार। नंबर 7 है न में छोटी ई की मात्रा, क ट। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों मिलाकर? निकट। नंबर 8 है त में छोटी ई की मात्रा, क ट। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया? टिकट। नंबर 9 है प में छोटी ई की मात्रा, क न में छोटी ई की मात्रा, क। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों मिलाकर पढ़ने पे? पिकनिक। नंबर 10 है ग में छोटी ई की मात्रा, ल में बड़े आ की मात्रा, स। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया? गिलास। नंबर 11 है व में छोटी ई की मात्रा, म में बड़े आ की मात्रा, न। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया? विमान। नंबर 12 है व में छोटी ई की मात्रा, फिर व में बड़े आ की मात्रा, र। ये मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया? रविवार। एक बार फिर से एक बार हम लोग देखते हैं इसको। नंबर 1 दिन, नंबर 2 बिन, नंबर 3 खिल, नंबर 4 चिड़िया, नंबर 5 किताब, नंबर 6 सितार, नंबर 7 निकट, नंबर 8 टिकट, नंबर 9 पिकनिक, नंबर 10 गिलास, नंबर 11 विमान, नंबर 12 रविवार। तो बच्चों ये आपको लिखना है हिंदी लिटरेचर की कॉपी में और इनको पढ़ने की अभ्यास करना है और आपको कॉपी की नियर लाइन में लिखना है सुंदर सुंदर हैंडराइटिंग में। तो बच्चों आज के लिए इतना ही, आगे का मैं आपको अगली कक्षा में कराऊंगी। धन्यवाद।
Hello, a very warm good morning to my dear students and those who are watching this video. Students, I am an English teacher from SHIVAJI Group of Institution and this is your second period of English Literature. So my dear students, open your English Literature book, chapter 4 and the name of the chapter is Irish Class. We have done its explanation and after this that we have done its exercise, the first and second exercise we have done. Now we have to do the grammar enrichment of this chapter. So students, open the page number 21 of the book. Say students, today we will read about this, that, these, those. Okay? So first we will learn about this and where we are using this. Okay? Say this is used to talk about a thing or person near us. So students, where we are using this is used to talk about a person or a thing near us. Okay? And now, see for example, this is a door. Okay? When a thing or when a person is near us, then we are using this. Okay? And when there is a single thing or a single person, when there is a one thing or one person, then we are using this. And when there is more than one, then there we are using these. Okay? Now we will know about these. What is these? This is used to talk. This is used to talk about things or people. More than one. Okay? Near us. For example, these are dogs. See, here we can see there is a one ball and these are balls. Okay, you are seeing. See the first. What is this and where we are using this? This is used to talk about a thing or person near us. Okay, we are using this to talk about a person or a thing which is near us. In example, this is a ball. See, in this there is a one ball and the ball is near us. So we are using this, and this is a one ball. So we are using is this is a ball. The second one is these. These is used to talk about things or person more than one near us. See, we are using these when there are these are used to talk about things or people more than one near us. When a thing is near us and it is more than one in number, then there we are using these. Okay, see the example. For example, these are balls. You are seeing that there are more than one. There are three balls. So here we have, and the ball is near us. So we have used these are balls. Okay. Now students, now we will, after learning about this and these, now we will know about that and those. That, see, that is used to talk. That is used to talk about a thing or a person which is away from us. Person away from us. Okay, there we were using that. For example, That is a ball. You are seeing the ball is away from us, so we are using that. Okay. When that is used to talk about a thing or a person away from us. When a thing or person is away from us and the thing or person is one in number, then there we are using that. Okay. Now we will know about those we use those to talk about things or person. Okay. More than one. Away from us. Okay. Example. Those are words. Okay. See, that is used to talk about a thing or a person away from us. When that we are using to talk about a person or thing which is away from us. Okay. For example, that is a ball. You are seeing the ball is away from us. So here, and it is one in number. So here we have used this, and because ball is one in number, so here we have used else. Okay. Now the second one is those. We use those to talk about things or person more than one. When a thing or person is more than one and the thing or person is away from us, there we are using those. Okay. For example, those are balls. Okay. You are seeing the ball is away from us and the ball is more than one. So that's why we have used those are balls. See, in this page in the down, the first exercise they have given you as a homework. The first one. See, blank is a flowers. You are seeing in the book. You are seeing the flowers is far. See the page number 20, 22 it is. The A1 exercise, look at the picture and use this, that, these, those to complete the sentence. The first blank is a flowers. Okay. So you are seeing the flowers is away from us, and I have told you that when the thing is away from us, then there we are using that. And if a thing is one in number, then we are using. If a thing is away from us and it is one in number, then we are using that. So what we will use in the first blank? That. That is a flowers. The second one, blank is a bunch of balloons. You are seeing that balloon is near us, near the sentence. So here we will use this. This is a bunch of balloons. In the third sentence, blank is a dustbin. So what we will use in this blank? The dustbin is near us, and I have told you when a thing or a person is near us and the thing or person is one in number, the picture of a pencils. The picture is away from us, and the pencils are more than one. So here we will use those. Okay, those are pencils. So in the fifth blank are trees. You are seeing the picture of a tree is near us and it is more than one. So here we will use these. These are trees. The sixth one blank is a puppy. You are seeing the puppy is far from us. So and the puppy is 1 in number. So here we will use that. The last and the seventh blank is a kitten, and the kitten and the picture of the kitten is near us. So here and there is only one kitten. So here we will use this. This is a kitten. Students, now see the B exercise. Students, this you have to do as a homework. I have already explained about this, that this goes. So students, this we have to do as a homework. Do exercise B of page number 23. Of chapter. What you have to do? You have to do this exercise as a homework. Okay. Today we will do take care. So students, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, students. This is your EVS teacher from SHIVAJI group of institutions. We welcome you all in the online classes. So students, this is the third period of EVS of class 4. So before start today's class, let's recall what we have learned in the last class. So in our last lectures, we had this chapter. Chapter name is My Beautiful Clothes. And in that chapter, we had read about that. Why do we wear clothes? So we wear clothes to cover our body and we look smart in our clothes. And then we had read about that when we wear clothes, so we wear clothes according to the seasons and we wear clothes according to the occasions. Like if this is summer season, so we will wear cotton clothes because cotton clothes keeps us cool and give us comfort in summer season. And in winter season we wear woolen clothes because woolen clothes keep us warm in winter season. That's why we wear woolen clothes in winter season. And we wear clothes according to the occasions. Like if we will go to the party, so we will wear formal dresses. And if we will go to picnic or park, so we will wear casual dresses. So we wear clothes according to the seasons and we wear clothes according to the occasions. So students, in the last lectures we had started the written work of this chapter and we have done 2 exercises of this chapter. Those are hard words and missing letters. So today we will do the next exercise of this chapter. So for that, students, take out your notebook, open a fresh page after missing letters. And students, one more thing, don't mention lesson number or lesson name because it's not a new chapter. We are continuing our previous chapter. So just mention the heading of our next exercise, which is very short answers. Like I'm mentioning here. Mention the heading of very short answers. Now we will write the question. So the first question is, which type of clothes we wear in summer seasons. So, as in the chapter we have read about that, in summer seasons we wear cotton clothes like frocks, shirts, t-shirts because these clothes keep us cool in the summer season. So, in the answer we will write cotton clothes. Now we will write question 2, that is which type of cloth we wear in winter season. So, what do we wear in winter season? In winter season, we wear woolen clothes like muffler, woolen cap, sweater, jacket because these clothes keep us warm in winter seasons. So, in the answer, we will write woolen clothes. Now I am going to recall both the questions because I have to write number 3. So the first question is, which type of cloth we wear in summer season? And the answer is cotton clothes. Question 2 is, which type of cloth we wear in winter season? And the answer is woolen clothes. Now we will write number 3. For that I am going to write this. Question 3 is, what do you wear for So, students, in the chapter we had read about that we wear clothes according to the seasons and according to the occasions. But we had also read that we wear clothes according to our profession. Like, if you are, suppose you are a student, so what you will wear for school? You will wear school uniform, okay? And I'm a teacher, so what I will wear? I will wear a sari. This is my uniform. The same as doctor wear white coat because this is his uniform, and nurse wear white skirt or white coat with white cap because this is her uniform, and policeman wear police uniform, soldier wear army uniform. So same as we wear clothes according to our job also, our professions also. Okay. So students, today we will do only these exercises. We will do the rest of the exercise of this chapter in our next class. So students, now let's recall all the questions from question number 1. Question number 1 is, which type of cloth we wear in summer season? And the answer is cotton clothes because cotton clothes keep us cool in summer season. Question 2 is, which type of cloth we wear in winter season? And the answer is woolen clothes because woolen clothes keep us warm in winter season. And question 3 is, what do you wear for school? So this question is for you, like if you are a student, so I am asking you that what do you wear for school? So you will write uniform because you wear school uniform for school. So
Now all the questions, very short answers are complete. Students, now note down your today's homework. Your today's homework is learn missing letters of lesson 4. So students, this is your today's homework. You have to learn missing letters of lesson 4. So students, that's all. Thank you for attending this class. Now we will meet in our next class.
Hello, good morning students. I welcome you all in our online classes. I am your maths teacher from SHIVAJI Group of Institution. Student, as you know that this is your fourth period, that is of maths. So student, as you know that we are in our chapter 2nd. Okay. So we will learn chapter 2nd. Can you tell me the name of chapter 2nd? Chapter 2nd same is addition. What is the name of chapter 2nd? Addition. Okay. Student, if you have remembered, we have finished exercise 6 in our studies class, and we have finished exercise 6 in 2 days. So I hope so that you have no doubt in exercise seconds and you can solve all the questions without any problem. So student, I want to be confirmed that really you don't have any doubt inside exercise 6 in your mind. So I am going to take a short review of it. Let us start. Which type of questions we have learned inside exercise 6? Questions was like find the sum. Find the sum, right? And there questions was type. Here the question is 5 plus 6 plus 3. It means you have to add these 3 numbers. So students, how can you add these 3 numbers? First of all, you have to take first 2 numbers for adding. Take the number 5 and count by 6. What you will get here 11, because if you will start from 5 by 6, you will get 11, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What you are getting here? 11. Now put the sign of addition here. Now the number which is left. Okay. Now again you will add it. What you will get? Start counting from 11 by 3, 12, 13, 14. What you are getting here? 14. So what is the final answer of this question? 14. Okay, student? So these type of questions you have in your exercise 6, and we have completely finished it in our studies class, right? It means find the sum type questions have finished, and on exercise 6 now we will learn about word problems. Okay? Word problems. So today our topic is word problem. And students, you have to solve all the word is NYQ Docs notebook. Now we will start to solve word problems. So open your page number 55 and see in the book. What is your first question? Question number first. What is it? Rahul had. How you will note down the question? Rahul had dot dot dot. Rahul had now. Now we will solve it. So, question is Rahul had 5 shirts. His father bought 3 more shirts for him. How many shirts does Rahul have? So, which type of question this is? This is question like I told you by the help of objects like I have 2 flags before it and my mother gave me 1 more flag. So how many flags now I have in my hand? You can see first of all I had 2 flags. So 1, 2. Now I have the number 2 and my mother gave me 1 more flag. So how many total flags I have? 2 and 1. What is it? 3, right? So like this you can solve these type of word problems. Okay. So Rahul had how many shirts? 5 shirts. Okay. And father bought. Father bought 3 shirts. So total shirts 5 plus 3. 5 and 3, this is 8. So what is the answer? 8 shirts. Okay. 5 more. More means addition. Okay. Where you will see the word more, it means you should add. Okay. You will see here one more example of this exercise. Now we will see a third question. You will see in the book. There are 2 bananas and 4 apples in the basket. How many fruits are in the basket? Okay. So first of all, how will you write the question? There are dot 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 in the basket. In the basket. 1 flag plus 1 pen. Total articles 1 plus 1? Yeah, 2. 2 articles I had in my hand. Okay. So how will you solve? Bananas. Banana. How many banana? 2. You can write number of bananas. Okay. And now number of apples. Four. And you know that banana and apple both are the fruits. Okay. So total fruits. Number of banana plus number of apples. Okay. So 2 plus 4, or you can write in a column 2 plus 4. What you will get here, start counting from 2 by 4, 6. So 6 fruits. 6 fruits is your answer. Okay. So students, like this you can solve all the questions of word problems which you have in your word problems in notebook. Okay. So your homework is solve word problems in page number 55. So students, this is all about today. We will continue this chapter in our next class. Till then, complete your homework and continue do the revision of your all the chapters which has done. Okay. So students, thank you to all for attending today's class.
Hello, a very fabulous good morning to each one of you. I am your computer teacher from SHIVAJI Institution, and this is your 5th period. So students, take out your computer book. Students, I have explained the first chapter. Okay, we have read about first chapter. The name of the chapter is a computer. A computer is a machine, and this is page number 7. So first in this we have read about the natural things. Things which are naturally made are known as natural things. Things come directly from nature are called natural things. For example, water, tree, soil, etc. Okay, and the second one is human made thing. Okay, things which are made by humans are known as human made thing. Things made by humans are known as human-made things. Example, car, building, etc. Okay. So, what is natural things? Things come directly from nature. Example, water, tree, soil, etc. The second one is human-made thing. Things made by humans are known as human-made thing. Example, car, building, etc. Now we will recall about machine. Machines are also made by human. Machine. Machines are made by humans, or it make our work easier and fast. It makes our work easier and fast. Okay. Some machines run on electricity, for example, toaster, refrigerator, or a mixer. Some machine runs on fuel, that is car, your bike, or helicopter. Some machine run on battery, such as clock, camera, and calculator. Some machines require help from humans. That is your cycle, nail cutter, and scissor. Okay, these are the machines which require help from humans. Now we will read about computer. We will recall about computer. What is a computer? You all have seen a computer. Okay. Computer. See, it works very fast. A computer works very fast. Okay. It does not get tired or bored. A computer does not get tired or bored. It does not get tired or bored. Okay. The third one is it saves our time. A computer works very fast. That's why it saves our time. Fourth, a computer does not make any mistake. It does not make mistake. And last, which one is? It can remember many things. It can remember many things. See, a computer, it works very fast. A computer works very fast. That's why it saves our time. It does not get tired or bored. A computer never gets tired or bored. It saves our time. A computer saves our time. It does not make mistake. A computer does not make any mistakes. It can remember many things. A computer can remember many things. Okay? Now we will recall about the types of a computer. Types of computer. The first one is desktop. Okay. The second one is a laptop. The third one is a smartphone. And the fourth one is tablet. Okay, these are the types of computer. See, a desktop is heavy and a desktop is kept at one place. We cannot carry a desktop where we go. We can't carry a desktop because it is heavy. And the second one is laptop. A laptop is smaller or lighter than a desktop. We can carry a laptop where we go. The third one is a smartphone. A smartphone is lighter than a desktop or a laptop. We can easily carry a smartphone. In a smartphone we can watch movies, we can do calls, we can send messages, we can watch movies and many more things we can do in a smartphone. Then the last one is a tablet. A tablet is bigger than a smartphone and it is smaller than a desktop or a laptop. In a tablet we can watch movies, we can listen songs, we can read or we can read electronic books. Okay, all these things we can do in a tablet. So students, our first chapter is completed and I have recalled all the topics. So students, open the page number 13 of your book. See the page number 13. You are seeing take the correct option. The first exercise is take the correct option. First we have recalled the whole chapter that I have explained and now we will do its exercise. So students, open the page number 13. Take the correct answer. Now we will do take the correct answer. Okay. The first one is, which one of these is not a human made thing? You have to take which of these is not a human made thing. The first one is a picture of an orange, the second one is a picture of a ball and the third one is a picture of a sharpener. So a ball is a human made thing and a sharpener is a human made thing. Do you think orange is made by a human? No, orange are natural things. So we will take the first one option. We will do a tick. Okay, we will make a tick mark. The second one, which of these is not a machine? We have to take that object or that thing which are not a machine. See, the first option is of a scissor. Scissor is a machine. See, it works fast. It makes our work easier and faster. The second one is a lunch box. Do you think a lunch box is a machine? No, a lunch box is not a machine. And see, one is a washing machine. So it is also a machine. So which one is not a machine? Option B. So we have to take option B. The third one, which one of these cannot help us to do our work faster? You are seeing there are some pictures. You have to take which one of these cannot help to do our work faster. The first one is a picture of a pencil, the second one is a picture of a calculator, and the third one is a picture of a laptop. A laptop make our work easier and faster. Calculator also make our work easier and faster. Do you think pencil make our work easier and faster? No. So we will take the first option. Okay. Now come in the second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the book. See the first blank, a refrigerator needs blank to work. Our refrigerator needs electricity to work. So what will come in the first blank? In the first blank, electricity will come. The second blank, a blank computer keep at one place. So which computer keep at one place? A laptop we can carry easily, a smartphone we can carry easily, a tablet we can carry easily, but we can't carry a desktop. So what will come in this blank? Desktop. A desktop computer is kept at one place. Okay. Now see the third blank. You have to fill. Okay. Now see the third blank is a human made thing. So you are seeing that there are some words are written. So you have to fill with this. We can take the help with these words. In the third blank is a human made thing. So what will come in the third blank? Table. A table is a human made thing. Now the fourth and the last one is flower is a blank thing. What are you thinking? Flower is a human made thing or a natural thing? Flower is a natural thing. So in the fourth blank, natural will come. You have to write it natural. Okay students? Today we will do it here. Write down your homework first. Do exercise C of page number 14. Okay. Of chapter. First you have to do the exercise C of page number 14 of chapter first. So students, thank you for watching this video.